Is your Kia infotainment system stuck on the loading screen? This issue usually indicates a software crash or boot loop, often due to corrupted cache data or incomplete updates. First, perform a force reboot. Hold down the power button or volume knob for 10 to 15 seconds until the system shuts down and restarts. This clears temporary memory and often resolves minor glitches. If that doesn't work, clear the system's cache. Go to Settings, then General, then Storage, and select Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing the problem. These two steps alone resolve most loading screen issues. If the problem persists after a reboot and cache clear, update your infotainment system software. Kia releases updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Check Kia's website for the latest firmware for your model. You can update via USB by downloading the update to a USB drive and plugging it into your car. Alternatively, some models support over-the-air OTA updates. Make sure your car is parked and follow the on-screen instructions. Software updates can take between 20 to 60 minutes. Keeping your system updated ensures stability and resolves known issues, preventing future loading screen problems. If problems persist, consult a dealership.